Hello everyone, my name is Unma. Welcome to my channel Unma's World. In Unma's World, you are going to learn about various topics. In this video, I am going to tell you about 10 amazing and unknown facts of the planet Uranus, which is the 7th planet from the Sun and is the 3rd largest planet in our solar system. So let's start. Number 1. On 13th March 1781, while making observations, British astronomer Sir William Frederick Herschel spotted Uranus for the first time. Initially, this planet was known as Herschel and later it got the name Uranus. Uranus is the first planet discovered with the help of a telescope. Number 2. In our planet Earth, the spin axis is tilted at an angle of around 23.5 degrees. But in case of Uranus, the axis is tilted at an angle of around 98 degrees. That means Uranus is rotating on its side. Scientists say that this unusual orientation of Uranus might be because of a collision with a planet-sized body or with several small bodies soon after it was formed. Number 3. Uranus takes 84 years to orbit the Sun. Because of Uranus' unique sideways rotation, in winter its North Pole experiences 21 years of night, and in summer North Pole experiences 21 years of daytime. Similarly, in the spring and fall have 42 years of day and night. Number 4. Scientists have found 13 rings of Uranus. Uranus rings are categorized into two sets, inner and outer ring systems. The inner rings are consisting of dark gray and narrow rings. The outer rings of Uranus are brightly colored. Number 5. At present, scientists have confirmed the existence of 27 known moons of Uranus. The moons of Uranus are divided into 3 groups. 13 moons are inner moons, 9 moons are irregular moons, and remaining 5 are major moons. Number 6. Uranus moon Titania is the largest of the 27 known moons. Titania is the 8th largest moon in our solar system and it is 2.2 times smaller than the Earth's moon. Number 7. Uranus is known as an ice giant. It probably has 3 layers inside it. A small rocky core at the center, an icy mantle surrounding the core made up of water, methane, ammonia, etc. An outer gas shell of mostly hydrogen and helium. Number 8. Like Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus' atmosphere is made up of hydrogen and helium, but it also has methane gas. The methane in Uranus' atmosphere absorbs great portion from sunlight, leaving the bluish-green shade. That's why Uranus looks blue-green in color. Number 9. The only spacecraft to fly by Uranus was by NASA's Voyager 2. On January 24, 1986, Voyager 2 made its closest approach to Uranus, coming within 81,500 kilometers of Uranus cloud tops. This is the photos sent by NASA's Voyager 2. From where this sticky smell is coming, it's very bad. Number 10. A global research team found hydrogen sulfide in Uranus cloud tops. Hydrogen sulfide is the gas that gives rotten eggs the sticky smell. That means Uranus smells like rotten eggs. So if you have any dream of going to Uranus, then forget it. Uranus, stop the stinky smell that you are creating. I hope you learned something new. If you liked the video, please click on the like button, share the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting and educational videos. Stay safe, thank you, and bye!